In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos and selecting Photos or Collections at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, and use those type of dots at the top right corners to select multiple. To keep some, click on them, and to delete the rest, use the delete button at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of Collections one. Then hit Got It and tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!